My daily bread.
Daily bread. You take it serious?
Yes.
What time you get up in the morning?
4 o'clock. Have my devotion. Look about something to eat. Look about myself. And then bush.
And bush.
Farming is number one in Jamaica. If you don't have nothing to eat,
yeah,
you have a problem.
My Jamaican family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. I'm on a farm. A massive pineapple farm, 17 acres here in deep rural St. James in the hills, a place called Tanga River. I'm with Anthony and his mom, Miss Patsy. They are gonna show us how they do what they do, including planting, maintaining, harvesting pine. And of course, you can't come to a pine farm and don't taste the pine. So we're gonna have a little taste of the different type of pine that they have here. But stay to the end, as we have a bonus for you. Stay to the end. He's gonna show us, and I'm gonna show you how to plant pineapple at home, in the backyard, or in a flower pot, or anything like that. Stay to the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join me. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica, stuff like these. You know, I did several series, medicinal herbs, attractions, you name it. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on all of this video. Let's do this! Alright guys, so we're in Tanga River, and this is the man. This is Anthony. Anthony, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. And that's his mom, Miss Patsy, champion farmer for the forward. For which area? Champion farmer for St. James? For St. James. So not just for the area, but for St. James in general. Alright, pick up the champion farmer, Miss Patsy.
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
And I did win second prize on 10 years ago.
Yeah. So you came back stronger this year. Alright, so guys, we're gonna take a look at the farm, the pineapple farm. Much talk about pineapple farm here in the hills of Roper. And if you know Roper, if you know Roper, it's in the if you don't know Roper, it's in the Tanga River. Tanga River, yes, area of St. James. Right, now we've seen some pineapples already. These are your pineapples? Yeah. Alright,
You
nice.
only plant, but the tree fall and drop on it.
Alright, nice. Pineapples. So pineapple is kind of like your main crop in this area.
Yeah.
I know like some places like yam and banana and so on, but it's pineapple up this side.
Pineapple and banana.
Okay, and banana.
You have to planting as well.
Two planting. Alright. Well, we're going down, guys. We're checking out the farm to see how they do what they do. So how long, Miss Patsy, how long you doing this thing?
Around 20, 30 years ago.
30 years.
But we always plant yam and so, but through the help not there, I did sick out, so I stop planting yam.
Okay.
So we have some dashing on the hill there.
Yeah. Cool. But mainly pineapple. How many acres of pineapple you say you guys have here?
We only have around 17 acres.
17 acres. 17? I don't normal farmer, man. So you gonna have people come and help?
Yes, but the labor now slow now. The young people are not working anymore.
I know it's a challenge.
Yeah.
Challenge the world over to get people to work.
Yeah.
So all of this what we're looking at here is yours.
Yeah.
Look guys, look. This is just the introduction. He said it's 17 acres of pineapple. 17 acres of pineapple. What is there a particular type of pineapple?
Bullhead and cowboy.
Those are the two main ones.
Yeah, and cheese pine.
And cheese pine. 3. Why would you say use those? Is that a better variety?
It's longer than the cheese pine. It lasts longer and more rough.
Oh, okay. Resilient. Okay. Woo, look at pineapple, guys, and banana, pineapple. So, you mentioned the last, it's a nice looking one here. You mentioned the last longer, meaning after you plant it, how long does it take?
No, these ones take more rough. When you reap it, you can angle these one rougher than the cheese pine.
Okay, got it.
The cheese pine is easy to get squeezed.
Got you.
Soft.
Oh, got you.
And these even stay longer in the field more than the cheese pine.
When you say longer, how long?
Maybe these last year 7 years.
7 years, meaning,
That's all 20 years.
Before you replant.
Because my husband did have it. And him said,
meaning the same plants here?
Yeah.
So meaning, if you plant...
anyone miss it dead, we chop out that and put it on it.
Oh, so really, if you plant it, you kind of leave it there?
Yeah.
And you just keep giving you pine for a long time?
Yeah.
Nice.
But they have the manure.
Manure, fertilize, take care of the bush.
Yes. Woo. Guys, look. I hope you see. Look. This is pineapple. And this is a mother and son business here. Pineapples. Alright, and we're still not there yet. They're taking me on a journey. So it's 17 acres of pineapple.
Far behind that banana, clear over.
Oh, behind the banana, you have more pineapple?
Yes.
What you saying, man?
All the way over.
Alright. So, but how you manage this kind of thing, man? How you manage, because it's pretty big. I don't know, you said it's hard to get labor.
Yeah, but when you get them, you use them anyway.
Oh, you get them and use them.
Yeah. But it's freshly reconstruct. Replant over this one here. All the way around.
Okay.
Yeah.
All of this here. Nice. Nice. It's a bread. Pineapple is here. You will lead it. And all the way. Look, guys, as far as I can see, it's pineapple. As far as I can see, it's pineapple. Alright, let me just show you again, guys. Look.
Also, I'm cleaning off the hill up here to plant some.
Oh, so that hill.
Yeah.
That hill is gonna be a pineapple hill eventually. We have had nice gentle breeze flowing here as well, which really adds to the beauty of this place. Alright. You have your, what is this now? What?
Here we set up barrels to catch water when the rain falls. So burn the grass.
Water to burn the grass. Oh, what do you mean? You mix it with chemical?
Chemical, yeah.
Okay.
So all the way to that corner there, over there. So we can go back this side. Or you want to go there and come back this side.
Anyone. I just want to look. We're gonna take a look at how I'm gonna want to see exactly how you plant it, how you take care of it, how you reap it. You can give us some examples.
Yeah.
Anywhere you want to pause and stop and look and show us. Alright, so this
right here now I'm gonna burn this here tomorrow. From here go back, I'm gonna burn it tomorrow.
Okay. So is there a season for the pineapple?
Well, what really happens is pineapple season now, but what really happens, you can breed the pineapple and get the top right through the ear.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a special way to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to give me, I want to promise my audience that I have a bonus for them at the end. I want you to show us how you can plant pineapple at home.
Yeah.
You gotta show us that, right?
No problem.
Alright.
All the way up.
Woo! Yeah man, that's 17 acres of pineapple, Jamaican style. Small farmers. That's your banana here. Drop out the heart. So this is not good, you don't use this. Yeah, they are spoiled. They have too much man. They can't cook and eat, man. What are you saying, man? A country will come in now. We'll take anything we get here. Yeah, because you have it like that, you know, it's a blessing though. It's a blessing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Alright, so you have an area where you have a lot of them having fruit now. Yeah, like pineapple on them.
Just all those red berries. That's pineapple coming.
Alright, so let's follow
all of these red ones. It's pineapple.
Okay, the whole pineapple coming out of this?
Yeah, pineapple dust. Pineapple. All these red ones.
How long they take to?
How long they take to develop?
Yeah.
About 6 months. Yeah.
8 weeks.
8 weeks.
So 2 months from 2 or 3 months, 8 to 10 weeks are thereabout from here to fruit. Nice one here, nice one.
Get the fertilizer then.
Nice one here, guys. Look. Nice one here. Which shop is that now? Cowboy?
Cowboy. Bullet.
Bullhead. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys if you know the different type of pineapple, tell me. But how do you know?
Alright, you see the sucker come underneath the bottom there? The cowboy don't send those up.
Cowboy don't send sucker. Oh. Okay. But it also is it the taste make a difference too?
No, see, I'm there here.
The taste the same? Okay, cool. Alright, so we're gonna show you guys how to plant, how this is done here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the way you plant it.
This is how you plant it. So hold on, what about the stem? I mean,
No, that's okay.
yeah, you don't need to cut anything.
Nothing.
Okay.
And that's it. That's the way you plant it.
You-
And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Okay.
When you catch one man,
When you catch that now, they want manure.
Oh, how long after you give it the manure?
Maybe 4 weeks. Yeah, 4 weeks.
4 weeks. And you know when it catch, when you see this, when you see, I guess what? Well, this is still alive, right?
Yeah, man, it still okay. That's the way you plant it, just like that. Just like that, nothing more.
Okay. So somebody who get it like buys at the market with the head on it.
Well,
What is different about that and this?
you see the one on the top of it, to come on the pine top, it take a longer time to come in.
and take a longer time.
Longer
to
time
stripe.
to go. Longer time to hear.
So so these are what? These are you pick up or
These
what?
are
The
suckers.
suckers.
Oh, okay. So you would have pulled them from the side of the other one.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are suckers.
Okay.
So these suckers now it come from the bullet.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we
these
pop
are
them off, we drop them and then catch we plant them.
These are
Okay.
suckers.
Okay.
Just like that.
Nice. And you plant them, I noticed you plant them in a particular,
Yeah,
like a row?
Yeah, row, yeah. That's you can go through it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it can be brutal because they have spikes on them.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a, Miss Patsy. It's Patsy you said, right? Patsy, okay. It's like a family tradition to do this. You go up to your parents or you just your husband?
No, just me and my husband.
And your husband started?
Yeah.
And hopefully, Mr. Anthony, carry on.
I hope so.
Hopefully. Okay, so that's okay. I hope so. Guys, this is you alone? Only son, only child?
No. Alone for now.
Okay, for now. Okay. All right. Well, we love that. We love that. And big them up for me guys online. Now, you just showed how to plant, but how you told us a little about how you maintain it. You said like
right.
4 weeks you put fertilizer.
That one or plant. When it catch up, you put fertilizer 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. Yeah, you can put salt, ammonia, or you can put 15-5-35. And then
Those are fertilizer.
And then you leave it for 6 months, and then 6 months again you touch him up again with that.
6 months.
Yeah, 6 months.
Okay.
With manure again.
Okay.
If you can buy.
You can afford it.
If you can afford it,
But
guys,
you have to try and put the fertilizer on it because the fertilizer make you get big fruit.
Yes,
But
got
if
it.
you starve it from fertilizer, you're going to get small fruit.
Okay, got it.
Also, the drought will give you small fruit as well. But they have like leaf manure, leaf fertilizer, so you can apply on it and this, and it give you big fruits also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of, and then after, so 6 months to come up, and then what about? So it's from planting from planting the sucker, we call it, to reaping. It's about what, 7 months?
No, maybe about lift to the side of the sucker. You see that particular sucker or plant here, this one. You're gonna get food from this sucker on a year.
Okay.
On a year you will get food.
So like 10 months.
Yeah,
11 months.
you will get sucker from your fertilizer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. The
Okay.
bigger the sucker,
The quicker.
the quicker.
So roughly though, within a year or so, year and a month or so,
Yeah, you will
have
get
fruit.
food. Yeah.
so you just you plant it and patient and watch it.
Yeah.
All right. So show me how you reap it now.
I'll have to see one now.
Find one to reap. All right, guys. I'm gonna share some health benefits. You know, I'm not gonna come at this place and talk about pineapple without sharing some of the amazing health benefits of pineapple too. Jamaican pineapple, man. It's very, very healthy, very nutritious fruit as well. So we're gonna touch on that. But we're gonna have Mr. Anthony tell us show us first how to reap it in case you know. Because nice like one you're growing up. This one look like him just need a couple more weeks.
That need maybe about 5 weeks.
5 more weeks. Yeah. Ready? Okay. Alright. 17 acres of farm. You're gonna show us now how to
I do like this.
Hey, grow and that start like that.
Yeah, just
that's
like,
it.
Yeah.
And that's cut off.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so that's reaping. Alright. Alright.
Just do like this.
You see that a sharp machete then, man?
Yeah, sharp machete.
Alright, so that's two nice one. And which one is this again?
This one is cowboy.
Cowboy.
This one now caught from the drought to get small.
A little bit small. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna cut a few that you can bring with you.
Alright, well, we're grateful for that. We're gonna cut. Alright, hold on. Let me take a picture. Hold on.
This one is crackers.
This one is crackers.
This one kinda eat chow. We don't really kill out the breed of this one.
Okay.
But it's sweet.
This look like planting here. This planting? But it's not good. Fall down and you just leave it. You guys have lugs, abundance of food here, man. It's a blessing. So I wanted to ask both Miss Patsy. I know your son is over there. The big question: how? It's basically two of you. Yeah. Basically two. We spoke a little bit about that. But how does a mother and a son manage 17-acre property of pineapple? How you doing?
Well, we do what we can do, and by the help of God, ask for a little strength that we can carry on.
Nice.
We did have some people who help us still. But you know, the young people in the work.
Yeah.
And how can you treat them good?
Yeah.
You know, regard it.
How often you come in the field here?
But that's every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Yeah.
Because we have another 5 acre over and we can't reach there yet.
But you're on the farm every day?
Yeah.
I know your son around you strong, but boy, not a lot, man. You're not tired at night time?
Yeah, I'm tired sometimes, but
you get a little help. And you've been doing it for 27?
Enough years, man.
Enough years. And you're not tired then?
Your foot then they get weak.
We big you up. You might me ask you how old you be?
Me? I'm 78 years old.
78. 2 years I'm 80.
2 years I'm 80. I don't know if I'm going
What do you mean? I know, man. Are you eating the pineapple? Pineapple healthy, you know. Pineapple going to carry over the line and you pass it, so. In fact, guys, I'm going to share some of the health benefits. Thank you so much. We're going to share some of the health benefits of pineapples with Miss Patsy. Pineapple with Miss Patsy. In the meantime, I'm eating one of the broken planting here. Still planting here, so I find it. It looks good. I'm going to eat it. Benefits of this good food. The pineapple that Miss Patsy has been planting and reaping and harvesting and selling for 27 years, guys. Vitamin C. Pineapples are high in vitamin C. They boost immunity, promotes healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. You didn't know that, Miss Patsy? You just go and plant pineapple. Nice. Yes, the digestive enzyme bromelain supports digestion, reduce inflammation, and aids in this digestive discomfort, they say. Pineapples are packed with antioxidants which fight free radicals, protect against chronic diseases, and promote overall health. And number 4, immune support. Pineapples provide essential nutrients for a strong immune system. And it also contains fiber and enzymes that we mentioned earlier that aids in digestion and promote good belly or gut health. Now you know. That's good food.
But continue eating.
Yes, man.
Often.
Yes, man. And the antioxidants will help you reach 100 and 100, you know. And
I
then
don't catch 100 yet.
no, I know, but I say you're 80, you're almost 80 now. These antioxidants that are provided, that the pineapple has, it's gonna take, if you continue to eat them and inhale all the good freshness of the pineapple. We'll be back to talk about your 100 year and how pineapple help you to get there. So anyway, that's the health benefits of pineapple, health benefits of this amazing fruit. Miss Patsy and her son here, guys, in the hills of, what's the name again? Tango River, man. Tango River. In relation to the maintenance, the planting and the maintenance, Miss Patsy, I wanted to ask a couple other questions. Normally just a crown you use, right? The piece, they call it the sucker.
Yeah, we call it this.
That's mainly what you use.
Yeah.
What about the soil? The soil, is there any particular pay attention to the soil that you use?
Well, we're gonna do a soil test pretty soon, maybe in next 2 weeks, whenever first sun.
You're gonna come here and test it?
Yeah.
Oh. I want to test it. Quality to see what? To see.
Test the soil if we gain too much fertilizer. Because sometimes I reckon it don't need what you're giving it.
Too much.
Too much.
Or too, okay. So you don't want it to be too less. Yeah.
So we're gonna do some soil tests in the next 2 weeks or 3.
What about pests?
Yeah, well, we have fungicide where we use like karate and all different insecticides.
So you have some pests that you have to deal with. Them automatically come out.
Yeah.
Okay. And is there any other challenge you face during the whole planting or growing process?
Not really.
Not really.
No, on the channel is workers.
Workers.
Shorter workers.
Yeah,
if you can import some workers to we.
Shout out.
That would be great.
Yeah, hopefully we don't have to import. Shout out to the agriculture minister, the man talking to you, sir. We need some help. We need workers.
Help. We need some workers.
We need young people to start to believe in farming.
Yeah.
Because farming can make a life out of farming.
Yeah, because farming is number one in Jamaica. If you don't have nothing to eat, you have a problem.
Exactly.
Yeah, you have to import all these things.
So we need to incent the young youth. We need to educate them and let them know how important farming is. Right? It doesn't have to be pineapple, but we're encouraging them to get into farming. Anything in farming. Because you can make a good life out of farming.
Yeah, you can.
Because were you doing something else before you came into pineapple farming otherwise?
Well, I was away for 30 years.
30?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
So all the young life?
Yeah.
I'm going to say...
But you always do little farming before you leave.
I used to do little farming before I leave.
And you come back and come right back into it?
Yeah.
And it's working out?
Yeah, man.
Oh, we give thanks. So, Mr. Anthony now, guys, gonna give us a bonus. Bonus is how to plant pineapples. So people watching you from all over the world, Mr. Anthony, and they don't have the 17 acres like you and your mommy. They just have, maybe they live in an apartment, or maybe they have a small residential house with a little piece of space at the back. How can they show them now how they can, so they buy the pineapple at the market.
Yeah.
In most cases, they come with a, what do you call it, a head?
Alright.
You want to show them now how they can?
I'll find one with a head.
Alright, following him guys, following him. He's going to show us how to farm, how to plant.
This one have a head. Yeah.
Alright, so when you get it at the market,
you could take out this like this.
Oh, take it, you just break it like that,
And strip this like this.
That's the head?
That's the head.
It's important for you to take off that piece?
Yeah. Put it like this. And put it on maybe for a week or 2. A cool place. Make it start burst high.
So hold on. So put it, alright. So we don't want to mix it. Hold it up.
This one. You strip this like this. Put it down a cool area. You start burst high here. Maybe 2 weeks. Then you plant it.
So where with the eye?
The eye gonna bust from here.
Oh, so you'll see like a little plant coming up.
Vein, like a little vein coming out.
A vein.
Yeah.
And after it's 1 vein, 2 vein, multiple.
Yeah, plenty vein. And then after you see the vein, you can just stick it.
Stick it in the ground.
Yeah.
So okay, and it's important to put it in a cool area.
Yeah.
So you can't put it in the house and leave it in the house. Maybe at the back of the house.
Yeah, maybe at the back of the house.
Yes, you know. See the vein them.
See the vein.
What do you call the vein?
See the little white up.
See it.
Oh.
You see it?
Oh.
Yeah.
So those are the veins.
Yeah.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah, that's what you want to see.
Hold it closer, let me see. Alright, good. So that's a vein.
Yeah.
And that is what you want to see. But you want it to be a little bigger than that before you plant it, right?
No.
Oh, this size is alright.
That's
This is
good.
perfect.
That's perfect.
How
You can
deep?
even small.
How deep you plant it?
How deep?
Maybe about not about what? About
3 inches that are
about 4 inches. And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
So not too, so you, okay.
If you plant it too deep, it will drown.
Okay.
Depends on the water, the
Oh,
rain. It
okay.
drown it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't need to, and so you
You see even these one? These one come up
This one
very
come
quick.
fast, I'm more even that one.
These one come very
Because
fast.
this come from the pine itself. Not the top.
This
You
one
wanna
come.
come under.
oh, like the sucker.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
okay.
this come fast, I'm more that one.
So if you can get the sucker itself,
It better
This one better to plant.
easier.
Easier and
Okay.
come better.
Come better.
Well, and
Faster.
what about like a pot, if you have a pot?
Yeah, you
Same
can,
thing.
you can try it in the
With
pot.
dirt.
Yeah.
In the pot, with
Yeah.
just dirt.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So maybe you can take this one and take a few as well
Alright.
and go and try it.
Alright, we will. We don't have much space, but we're gonna take on the challenge and see.
Yeah.
And maybe in a few weeks, guys, maybe in a few months actually.
Yeah.
They start come up.
A few months we can come up and we can showcase it again with you
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Alright. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to do that. I can show it to you.
Yeah.
I can show you guys later on.
Yeah.
Alright, nice. So that's how you plant
Yeah, that's
your pineapple at home or in the
And that's
backyard. Alright. So you know we come up on the farm if it eat piece of pine and cut it. Who have the knife, guys?
You have a knife?
You don't have the knife? On the machete?
Yeah, machete.
No man, we have to go cut. Yeah, use the machete man and cut. We have to eat pine man. And tell us which one of the nicest, which one of the sweetest one, miss? Alright, so we're gonna do a taste test here. We're gonna ask Mr. Anthony to cut them open and let's see. We'll test and see which one is the most delicious. Right? They're not very big, these are not very big, but
Yeah.
they will still have the taste. I shouldn't. Alright? And we're using the machete, we don't have the knife. So it's the grung style we're using now. Alright. Alright, so that's what they put him right there, man. Alright. Yeah, alright, so. Alright, so.
Bullet.
Bullet,
Yeah.
Ripley, cheesecake,
Cheese
cheese pine,
Yeah.
cheesecake. Alright, guys, so the feast is on. Ripley,
Bullet.
No, bullet.
bullet. This is the one that these gentle folks say now is the most resilient one, right? So we're going to match it up right now. A little bit showy,
No.
not really.
Maybe at the inside with here. So
Sweet though. Alright,
Ripley.
that is the
Ripley.
bullet.
No. Ripley that.
You know.
This is the
Ripley.
Ripley.
This is the Ripley.
That's sweeter than the bullet, though. Just
Mmm. Yes, man. It's sweeter. Really sweet. Mmm. Now,
Make some cheese pie, not
Cheese-
cake.
and then the cheese pine. I can't say me enjoy myself, that's true. This is the cheese pine, not cheesecake. Not as sweet as the Ripley.
no.
How do I define it now? Let me go again. Hard to say.
But it don't sweet as the Ripley.
No, not as sweet as the Ripley, but it's nice. It's nice.
Maybe true, not right yet.
Yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice. Tell me what you know about these things. Tell me. You know probably know more than me, guys. Come, put it in the comment. Let me hear what you think. Nice. It no matter. To me, all of them nice. Good choice. I think I'm asking you already, Miss Patsy, but I'm going to ask you again. This is your main bread and butter
Yes, sir.
for 27, 30?
30 years.
30 years. And you earn it every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
What,
Different from Saturday and Sunday.
yeah, what got you so interested, so passionate about
But
Pineapple.
it's my daily bread.
Daily bread. You take it serious.
Yes.
What time you get up in the morning?
4 o'clock. I have my devotion. Look about my breakfast and come out.
4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
Because
sometimes I have to clean out the house too.
Yeah, 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock.
Wow.
And I have my devotion.
Young people in here? On here?
I have my devotion. Look about something to eat. Look about myself. And then bush.
And bush. And then you come here and you and your son mostly.
Me and my son.
And then you see your husband pass off. And then how long you spending here?
Sometimes we come 7 and we go back 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. So you spend, so a good time that man. Are you full 8 hours that? 73 hours a regular shift?
Yes.
Okay. And that's good. And then you finish your day work and you go home you don't have energy for do nothing there.
So I go wash sometime. I may have 2 pig out and I feed them and I lay and I feed them.
You have a thing, man. If you have so much energy for 80 euro, almost.
Blessing.
Blessing. And the pine.
Blessing. A blessing.
It's blessing.
Not more blessing.
Well, it's a blessing bringing the pine in the first place. Yeah. And big up Anthony, guys.
Big up.
This is the man that make me in touch with.
Yeah, man. Only for respect.
Yeah, man. Love and respect. If somebody interested in reaching out to you guys for pine, for whatever reason, you mean maybe they have a trade show or whatever and need whatever contact, how can they reach you?
You can contact me by my number.
It's
29 24 721.
876.
876.
So do it again, say it again for me, for my friend in St. Mary who always said, repeat, who said the numbers too fast.
876 294 721.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Alright. I want to have a special big up for me. Give Mr. Anthony a special big up for me because you always find young men rally around them and the farming thing so much. And this man was away overseas for 30 years. Which state? Which place?
England.
England?
Yeah.
And come back home.
Yeah, man.
I make a good life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We give God thanks for that. And we big up for that. An example. We got income. Alright. Every time. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. We're saying something about the soccer.
Also, if someone interested in pine sucker, we have pine sucker for sale. And if someone interested in work in the farm, we have vacancy for 4 guys.
Nice. The pineapple farm tour, guys, with Miss Patsy and her son Anthony. I tell you, good stuff, right? Still have good people doing good things in this beautiful country. I want to hear from you. Let me know what jumped out at you. What stood out? Put it in the comments. There's another video I think you would love if you love this one. It's a tour with Miss Mac. Mr. Mac and his wife, Miss Mac. I did a farm tour with them as well. You're going to see lots of apple and all that good stuff. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.